Welcome to Yoga with Lena. I'm Lena, and today's class is all about feeling grounded and confident. Sometimes life gets so busy, so sometimes it's good to slow down, relax, and remember who we are. So roll out your mat and let's get started. You can start off with seated or coming to a squat. So do what feels right for you. You don't need to be in a squat. And then bringing your hand in prayer and just closing your eyes and taking a breath. Allowing your breath to just go all the way down to your belly. And as you breathe out, feel your shoulders dropping. Feel yourself becoming more present here and now. And I breathe in calm. And as you breathe out, I breathe out doubt. And as you breathe in again, just feeling yourself becoming more present and grounded. And then if you're in a squat, slowly come onto the mat on all fours. Or if you're seated, coming onto all fours. You might want to place your toes on the mat like this or flat. If you want to stretch your toes, keep your toes like this. And then breathing in as you look up, breathing out and looking down. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down. One more time, breathe in, look up. And then as you breathe out, just coming to center like this. And then if your toes are touching the mat, flattening your feet like this, and this just coming back onto your heels as far as you can, stretching out your arms. If this is not comfortable, bring your hands towards the back, place your forehead on your hands. Otherwise, have your hands wide. Again, as you breathe in calm. And as you breathe out, breathing out doubt and anything that stressed you out today. Breathing in calm. And breathing out anything that's disturbed you, allowing it to float away like clouds on a sunny day. One more deep breath in of calm. And breathing out and letting go. And then bringing your hands at your side, pushing yourself up. And then taking one foot in front and breathing in, coming forward, breathing out, coming back, breathing in, coming forward, breathing out, coming back. One more time, breathe in, come forward, breathe in, come back. And then coming up if you can, taking your hands to your hips or hands to your heart center. And then breathing in, just stretching up. Stretch. Bringing your hands back to your heart center. And let's do the other side. Bringing the other leg in front. Flattening the back foot and breathing in, coming forward, breathing out, coming back, breathing in, coming forward, breathing out, coming back, breathing in, coming forward, breathing out, coming back, and coming to the center. Then taking your hands up, bringing them to heart center. Again, breathing in calm. Breathing out anything that's disturbed you today. Again, breathe in one more time. Breathing out all that disturbance and coming back to your breath. Feeling calm, centered, and grounded. And then placing your hands on the floor, taking the back foot, bringing it forward. Placing your hands in front, spread your fingers, taking one foot back, the other foot back, and then pedaling your feet. You might want to do head with yes and no, yes and no, yes and no. Might want to move from side to side. May even want to do some circles. And then pushing your feet down as far as you can. Heels do not need to touch the mat, just as long as you feel a stretch here. Breathe. And then taking one foot in front, the other foot in front, coming up slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae. And then focusing on a point in front of you. This is really good to do in your life as well. Remember to breathe. Breathing is so important because it helps to energize our body, helps to calm our minds, can really help you to feel strong and confident. And if you want some help with breathing exercises, I've got something amazing for you. It's in the description. So let's look at a spot in front of you. We're going to make one leg really, really strong. And then we're going to just lift the other foot. Now you might be here. You might be here. You might even wobble. You come out, just come back in again. Keep looking at your spot. You might be here. You might even be able to be here, holding one foot here and the other foot and the other hand here. Just focusing. This is called tree, and you're standing like a tree. You might even be able to bring both hands in front. Breathe here. Feel yourself becoming more centered, calm and grounded. One more deep breath in and then come out slowly. Let's do the other side. And while you're in this pose, just support yourself. Feel yourself more grounded. So let's try that on the other side, making the standing leg really, really strong. It's your foundation, so you want a strong foundation. Looking at your spot, now you may hold the other leg here, here, or even holding your foot here, looking at your spot, bringing the other hand. Remember, wherever you are, it's absolutely perfect. You might be able to bring the hand together in Namaste, looking at your spot, feeling really, really strong and grounded, breathing in deeply, feeling the calm, and breathing out. And then come out slowly. And then closing your eyes if that feels comfortable. Breathing in the calm, letting go of anything that's disturbed you today, allowing it to float away like clouds on a sunny day. Again, breathing in, breathing out, standing strong. Then bringing your hands to your heart center, feeling the calmness, saying to yourself, I'm carrying the calm. I have it within. I carry the calm. I have it within. One more deep breath in here. feeling strong, feeling grounded. Gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the class. Do subscribe and do share it with somebody who would benefit from feeling grounded and strong within themselves. And I look forward to practicing with you again. So until next time, namaste.